How to use kiwi.com for last minute travels. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can use kiwi.com for last minute travels. If you're wondering how you can use kiwi.com for last minute travels, I'll be showing you how you can do so in this tutorial. Now kiwi.com is a site where you can easily book a cheap flight, especially when it's at the last minute. And how can you do this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you create an account with kiwi.com. How do you create an account? Open your web browser and your tab, type in www.kiwi.com and then log in. And then once you've typed it and you bought to the home page, you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account by typing your email address and your password. And then once you've done that, you brought to this home page, as you can see on my screen, and then you see your profile name as well as your profile icon by the top right corner of the screen. Then once you can see all of this, for you to be able to use Kiwi for last minute travels, just go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three dashes, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you will see the option Discover, which is located under Kiwi.com mobile app. Click on it, and then you see the option cheap flights. All right, you just click on cheap flight, and then you're taken to the page where you can easily book for cheap and fast flights. So select the location you are coming from, select the location of where you're heading to. Okay, and then you can select any time that's for your departure and your return, and then click on search. Once you click on search, you'll be redirected to another page where the available sites will be searched out and displayed to you. So these are the available sites, flights. Okay, so to check out everything, just scroll down until you see the one that you can afford. And then once you've seen the one you can afford, by the right side of the screen you can see the option set up price alert. All right, you don't necessarily have to set this up because you are using Kiwi for last minute. All right, that means that you're button it immediately, and then you click on next. Once you click on next, you'll be directed on that picture. You can now continue your booking process. So this is how you can use Kiwi for last minute flight. All right, so ensure you maximize this site to its best potential. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.